Looking pretty good. Hey guys, welcome to Reese 3D YouTube channel. I'm Reese and I'm going to show you how to model this coronavirus in Maya 2020. So we're going to start with some kind of a spherical shape, okay? So let me go to create polygon primitives, and we have something called a soccer ball, which basically is nothing but a soccer ball. So what I need is some kind of spikes that comes out of from here. So I'll just go ahead and first create some spikes based on these shapes. So let me just select all these guys by holding the shift key, and so just a couple of more selections. There you go. So I think that's done. So that's perfect. So I made the selection. I'm going to press and hold the shift key and right click. Then I can go to extrude face. There you go. So now we have one of those faces selected for extrude, and all I need to do is pull this out. Now when you do that, you can notice that all these guys are staying together. So I don't want them to stay together. I want them to go independent. So let's go ahead and click on this guy. So that makes it independent. Okay, that starts to look like a coronavirus. Not exactly. So let's just push this a little bit inside. I'm gonna make a little bit of scale here, so that's nice. So I think I'll just do a couple of these. So let's just push this out a bit, push this a little bit inside. Okay, and then shift right click and choose one more extrude, and all we're gonna do here is just extrude, extrude, extrude. That's gonna give us the projections with different sizes. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this a bit smaller here. Yeah, that looks nice. So let's do one more extrude here. Just pull it out as much as you can. So if you want it to be a longer spike, you can push it further, or you can just keep it somewhere here. Okay, so next thing that I want to do is I want to make one more extrude. So let's just push this out, and this time it's going to be a bit outside. So let's just scale it out, and you can actually see these other spikes from different angles to find out how it's actually looking. And I'm just gonna do a couple of more extrudes here. Okay, there you go. So one more here, pull it out, make it a bit smaller. Yeah, you can start to see the shape. So let's just make one more extrude, push it a little bit inside, do one more extrude, and this time I'm going to push it in. There you go. So let's just see if I can do one more extrude, push it in, and maybe I can just make it a bit smaller, and there you go. That starts to get the shapes. That's looking nice. Let's go ahead and press 3 to smooth it out and see. Yay, that looks nice. I'm going to make it a bit more fancy, so I'm just going to add a couple of more extrudes here. So I'm going to select these other shapes that we left out from the last selection. So let's just pick these guys. You can actually choose some random faces also and get one more level of extrusion. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Let's just make sure that we selected all of them. Okay, that's cool. And we'll just repeat the same process that we did before. So I'm just gonna extrude, and this is what I'm gonna pick up and pull it out. Just scale it a bit like so. One more extrude and scale it in. Oops. If you accidentally change to move tool or any other tool, you can just go back to the manipulator tool, and I can just pull this out and make sure that all these selections are there, so that whatever change you're making for one, it is going to affect all of them. Let's just go ahead and select this guy, make him smaller, do one more extrude, pull it out, one more extrude, pull it out, and this time let's make it a bit bigger. One more extrude, pull it out, one more extrude, pull it out, and this time it's going to be made smaller like so. One more extrude, push it closer, do one more extrude, and this time it's going to be going inside. So push in. There you go. So let's just go ahead and do one more extrude. That's it. So our modeling is finished. Let's just go ahead and select this guy, press 3, and see how that looks. Hey, that looks nice. So just to finish up, let's just give a color that is red. Okay, virus is danger, so let's just make him red. So let's just go ahead and select this guy, and let's just go ahead and right click and choose assign new material. Okay, so let's just pick up something like foam, a little bit reflective kind of appearance. So we have Fong here, and I'm just gonna make the color to be red. Too red. Maybe a bit darker red. Yay, there you go. So that's how you model a coronavirus in Maya software. Okay, so let's just make it bigger. There you go. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you dislike it, you can hit the dislike button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more such videos. And hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I make a new video. You can also follow me in Facebook, Instagram, and also you can visit my website, that is rees3d.com. So, as always, thanks for watching. Bye bye.